Hey everyone, welcome back to Migrate with Comfort. If you're looking for a seasonal farm job in Denmark, you're in the right place. Today, I'll break down everything you need to know, from job requirements to application tips and salary expectations, so stay tuned. Why choose Denmark for seasonal farm work? Denmark is one of the best countries in Europe for seasonal farm jobs. With its strong agricultural sector, fair wages, and worker-friendly environment, it's a great place for short-term work and travel. Plus, it's an amazing opportunity to experience Danish culture while earning some money. Types of seasonal farm jobs. Farm jobs in Denmark vary depending on the season. Here are some of the most common ones you can apply for: fruit picking and harvesting apples, strawberries, and cherries, vegetable farming, potatoes, onions, and carrots. Greenhouse work, planting and packing flowers or vegetables. Dairy farm jobs, milking cows, and general farm maintenance. Requirements and eligibility. Before applying, here are some key things you need to check. Work permit or visa. If you're from the EU, you don't need a work permit. Non-EU applicants may require a seasonal work visa. Basic English skills. While Danish is a plus, many farms accept workers who speak basic English. How to find seasonal farm jobs. Now, let's talk about how to find these jobs. Job portals, websites like workindenmark.dk, agrinord.dk, and Ers list seasonal job openings. Direct applications. Some farms post jobs on their websites. Search for Danish farms and apply directly. Join groups like Seasonal Jobs in Denmark to find job openings and connect with employers. You can also contact me for direct support with a company that can help you and get job in Denmark. Recruitment agencies. Some agencies help foreign workers find farm jobs. Application process and tips. Once you find a job listing, here's how to apply effectively. Prepare a simple CV and mention any farm or manual labor experience you have in farm work. Write a short cover letter. Show enthusiasm for the job. Follow up on your application email or call for updates. Be flexible and open to seasonal conditions, salary and work conditions. Wondering how much you can earn? Let's talk numbers. Salary range: €12 to €16 per hour, depending on the job and experience. Work hours: around 37 to 50 hours per week. Accommodation: some farms provide free or low-cost housing, meals often included or available at a discount. That's everything you need to know about getting a seasonal farm job in Denmark. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our next travel and work guide. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video.